My name's Buddy Clark from Corona, California. I heard about Home Comfort USA from a little sticker advertisement, a flyer, that said tune-up and 32-point inspection, $59. The air conditioner that we had in here, old and not properly working all the time. Called that number and they set me up with an appointment on a Saturday. Technician came out, I believe his name was Michael, and he said there was quite a few things. The condenser was really dirty. The fan was, something broke, it just wouldn't spin right. And he said they could put some kind of leak detector thing in, it is an older unit, and it would be $1,100. He called it a Band-Aid fix, which, like, to me, he told me it would fix it, but he can't guarantee how long everything's gonna work. He told me the price on that and kind of out of our range. We told him what we could afford, and he said, well, let me see what he could do. And he got on the phone. When Michael from Home Comfort USA came back and told me that Home Comfort USA would like to install a whole new system for free. And that I could not believe. My girlfriend having lung cancer now, she just doesn't need to stress out and worry about, hey, the air conditioner, this could be the last summer. You know, is it gonna break down totally today? And my girlfriend started crying, and I didn't know if there was, okay, what do you mean I have to deed my house to him or what? But no, free of cost. And I just could not believe there's companies that would do this. Coronavirus right now, it seems like everybody being shut down and stuff, where other places now are gouging prices and upcosting it. It just doesn't seem like somebody would be kind enough to do that. Restored my faith in mankind, actually. With all the stuff that's going on in the world, for somebody to do something like that, you know, I just couldn't believe it. That kind of stuff doesn't happen to me. I'd like to tell Home Comfort USA, God bless you and thank you very much. Thank you, Home Comfort USA.